So we're a relatively small family business of no more than 20 employees, and we do a lot of industrial and commercial construction throughout the North Island. We have a range of CAT machines in our fleet. We have the 3 excavators, we've got the skid steer and a range of attachments to fit those machines. So we order all our CAT parts from parts.cat.com because it's good to see the availability and pricing structure on the site, and also it's important for us that we get the parts that are right for our machine.
With parts.cat.com, you shop online and operate anywhere. A key challenge for a customer like Taylor Long Construction is that their operation is affected when machines in their fleet go down. The success of a job site can come down to a single bolt or filter. That's why customers need to have the right parts and trusted expert support at the ready wherever they are.
It's also really convenient that we can order the parts anywhere, anytime, on any platform, mobile, tablet or laptop.
Other benefits of choosing genuine CAT parts are proven long-term reliability, peace of mind warranty, and knowing parts are built to work with CAT machines. Finally, at TerraCat, we have trusted support at the ready for our customers, so they get the best customer online experience with parts.cat.com.
We have very good support from TerraCat. We have a number of phone numbers we can call for support, and the Rotorua branch is very helpful supplying parts and equipment as we need it. I don't see we could go back to a manual ordering system after using the convenience of the website.